This is a tutorial on how to use your old Netgear Wi-Fi router as an access point. What you're going to want to do is reset it by pushing the little hole in the back with something pointy. Then you're going to want to wait till it reboots. This is going to be so easy, anybody could do it. You just have to switch a couple of the settings and you're set. So you're gonna need to make sure that you're not logged into the internet once you plug the router into the computer. Then what you're gonna want to do is plug in an Ethernet connection into one of the ports in the back, not the Wi-Fi like Ethernet connection port. So you're gonna be using one of these other four. So next what you're gonna want to do is get your router's address. So you go to Systems Preference, Network, and switch Show to Built-in Ethernet. And what we're looking for is the router address. So we could customize the settings. Then you're gonna have to set up your router since we factory resetted it in the beginning. So answer the questions. It shouldn't be able to detect the network connection since we plugged it into the other four ports, not the Wi-Fi connection port, and the internet should still be off. So here it's just telling you the Ethernet cable is not plugged in, so you go to manual connection. Then you just set up your new password to get into your router. And then confirm the new password. Answer the two questions. I'm just gonna put any quick answer since this is just for tutorial purposes. So what you're gonna want to do is go over to your wireless, and then you're gonna set up your network names and passwords. So for the first one, I'm just gonna name it Skywalker 2G. Then you're gonna have to choose a password. So I'm just gonna go with Guzman 2020. Then I'm gonna make the second connection Skywalker 5G since it's a dual band router. And I'm just gonna choose the same password. Then you're gonna apply to save the settings. Once it's done updating, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna go over to advanced settings. Then you go to advanced setup, router, and AP mode, which is access point, or you could choose bridge mode, and then you just apply it and save the settings, and you're basically set with the setup. So you're gonna want to wait until it's fully rebooted since we're switching from router to access point. It takes a little bit longer. But once this thing's done, basically what you do is just unplug the router from your computer, and then you just go plug it into your current router into one of the 4 ports since we're not using the Wi-Fi port. So what you're gonna want to do is look for the connection, check if it's working properly. As you can see, I found miner. Since I'm on my phone, I'm basically just gonna use an app to test it. As you can see, everything's working properly, and that's it. And thank you for watching, and hit the like button.